What are drain tiles, and why is replacement the only real solution to save your home's foundation? Drain tiles are underground pipes installed around the foundation of a house to redirect water away and prevent flooding or moisture damage. Over time, these tiles can clog with soil, roots, or debris, and when that happens, water may start pooling around the foundation. If things have gone too far, that's when you need drain tile replacement. To replace drain tile around a house, contractors typically excavate the soil along the foundation, remove the old or damaged pipes, and install new perforated pipe surrounded by gravel and filter fabric. This system helps water flow freely into a drainage outlet or city sewer line, keeping your basement dry, protecting your home. It's a big project, but it is the most effective way to deal with a water ingress issue. Professional installation ensures the system is properly sloped and connected, which is key to long-term performance. So if you have noticed damp walls, standing water, or musty smells, drain tile replacement might be the solution. It's an investment in protecting your home for years to come. For more information, call us during office hours at 604-873-3753 or visit www.kcplum.ca for a free consultation.